Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing another one of these Hue lights by Philips. This time I've got a couple of downlights. So yeah, I've been sort of getting a little bit too into this whole automation thing, but once you put one bulb in, you sort of want another one, and before you know it, I've now got like 3 light strips and several bulbs around the house, and now I've decided to put these into the ceiling. I've got 2 downlights in my little study area, as well as a bulb in a lamp. So I'll take you there to have a look in a minute. We've installed one and it's working really well. But we're going to put this one in and show you how it all works. So let's have a look at the box. That's it. I'll just go right round in case you want any info from there. Yeah, top and bottom doesn't have a lot. I think just... I'll do it anyway. All right, so I'll pop it open. Yeah, I'm really getting into these lights because you can control so many things, and you can just say, you know, hey, you know who, the Apple lady, and she will turn off the lights, turn on the lights, dim them. They can be in multiple zones. It's just really cool. Yeah, I think I'll be getting more, so stand by. Anyway, here's the downlight. So it's white. The current ones we have, which are not automated, just normal downlights, have a silver, so I will miss that. I wish this was a silver because I quite like that look. I'll show you the silver ones once we go to the room. Just trying to get this out. Oh my gosh, whoa. I need to get a table for these. I'll just move that mic back. So yeah, here's the sort of package contents. I'll just put it down and we'll have a look one by one what's going on in here. So this is the light itself. So the way they work is you've got a little sort of clipping system here. So they get fitted into the ceiling and they clip in into the plaster. I'll show you once we're there. That's the, I don't know, whatever, transformer, whatever you call this thing. Also, obviously, it communicates via the Bluetooth Wi-Fi options and just the power cord. I don't know why I'm undoing this on film, but I guess we are going to plug it in. So it's quite long. I don't know, maybe 1.5 meters or something. So that's that. With it also comes just some booklets and things, how to get started, obviously the manual as to how to put it in. Now we are really lucky because we've already got these plugs, you know, the power plugs, whatever country they're from, inside the current switch. So all we had to do was just literally unplug it, put the new light in, plug it in, put the new light in, and it was on. Of course, you have to register it inside the Hue app for it to work. But yeah, so that's basically it. It's pretty straightforward. I'll take you down to the room now so you can have a look at the setup. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so we are in the room now where I'm putting them in. I'll just show you up the top. So the silver one is the old one, and the other one is the new one installed. I'll just pop them on. So that's what they look like. And I'll just get my hubby to come in and we'll change it so that you can see how it is installed. So they just come out of the ceiling like that. Hopefully this is taping properly. And then there is a wire that comes out and it just plugs into like a normal PowerPoint. And then we'll put the other one on. Sorry about the light and sound here, it's not ideal, but I just wanted to show you how it actually looks, and so that you get an idea. So then it just plugs in. And it goes back up there. And there's certain specifications of, you know, the depth and height you need so that it's safe, etc. So that's all in the pamphlet. and then those little clips that you saw in the video just tuck in, and then it rests on them. Yeah, and then the light's all in. So now we've got 2 of them. I'll just move out, so there they are. And they probably won't go on when I flick them. I'll just see, because I think they need to register normally. Oh no, it has come on, so there you go. And I'll just show you quickly the app on the phone so that you can get an idea of what they can do. Alright, so I've turned the camera so that you can see the 2 lights there above me. So sorry about this strange angle. Everything's going to go a weird colour in a minute. I'm going to turn the lights on because it needs to know that they're on to talk to them. And then I've got my app here, the Hue app, and I've just gone to settings, lighting setup, and add a light, search. Not sure if you can see, there's a bit of reflection everywhere. Searching. Okay, so it's picked it up there, and then once we press it, it'll just blink to say that's the light. And we can also add it to the rooms. So we go to rooms and zones, and then I've got it in the study, and then I just need to click on to the new one, and they'll add it to this room. And then when I go back to home and into the study, I can now control these lights either individually or in a group. So if we hit that one there, you can do, you know, different shades. This is not a RGB light, so you can only do spectrum of white if you like. So I think it's something like 2200 Kelvin to 5600 or something like that. I can't remember, it's on the box. But yeah, it doesn't do colors as such. So, but it's still really good, and really as a ceiling light, you probably don't really want it as colors. Your colors are sort of accents. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions, just ask me in the comments, and like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.